cops, man. Is this a raid?
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Get down and put your hands up!
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not a fucking junkie.
We'll get you out of here.
Hands up!
Heels off.
Stay home. Suspect is down.
The cops are here.
Police, get down now!
Is that the cop?
Suspect is down.
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect down.
Suspect down.
Entry team to talk. Injured suspect secure and ready for transport.
Police, get down now!
No, I'm down.
Police, hands
Hands
up
up!
now!
Night. What was that?
Yeah. Yeah.
This shouldn't be happening here. I thought this was a safe town. Tell me that's not more of them.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Police, on the
Keep
floor!
your head down.
I'm down.
Show me your hands, now!
I'm not a fucking junkie.
Restrained civilian.
Stay quiet.
Oh, shit. Cops!
This shouldn't be happening here. I thought this was a safe town.
Talk. This is entry team. Civilian is safe, secure, and ready for evac.
Over here!
Hands up and get down!
No!
Entry team to talk. Injured suspect secure and ready for transport.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now!
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect down.
Police,
Show me your hands!
Mommy, it's over.
Police, hands up!
Who's back there? Someone's trying to get in.
Stay calm. Everything will be all right.
Just get me out of here. Please.
Hands in the air! Get down!
Got you.
Who's back there?
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect down.
What?
Police, hands up! Take it easy. We're the good guys.
This was the worst night.
Talk, this is entry team.
Show me your
Civilian
hands.
is safe, secure, and ready for evac.
Put your hands in the air. Do it now. Police, hands up now. Put your hands in the air.
Do it now!
Get those hands
On the
up
ground, now!
Look, I'm not one of the shooters.
Get down!
Why are you waving
Hands in
those
the
things
air!
at me?
Get down!
You've got to stop
Get
that,
down!
please, please.
Put your hands up and get down!
Look at me.
Police, put your
Just
hands
get me
up!
out of here.
We'll have you out of here soon.
Zipped up and ready to go.
Ouch! You're getting me out of here, right?
You have to go through all
Entry team to talk. Civilian is okay, ready for evac.
Over here.
Police! On the floor!
Get those hands in the air. Police, get down.
On the ground, now!
This is for your own safety.
I have nothing to do with this.
Take it easy. We're the good guys. Get your ass down! Police, hands up! Get down and... Do it now!
Put your hands up and get down!
hands
Police,
up now!
get down
Police,
now!
hands
Get
up!
down! Hands in the air!
Drop your
Talk,
weapons!
this is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the EMTs.
Zipped up and ready to go.
Shut your trap.
Police, on your knees!